Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to set who can view your following list on TikTok. So let's get started. First, we're going to start off by going to our profile. That's by clicking the icon in our bottom right corner that says profile. It's going to take us here. Next, we're going to click the three stripes in the top right corner. When all these options pop up, we're going to click on settings and privacy. That's the last one. Here we're going to select the second option that's right below account privacy. And now we're going to scroll down to following list. As you can see, it's set to everyone. So everyone can view your following list. You only have two options. Either everyone can see your following list or only you can see your following list. For example, this is because our account is set to public. If it was to private, it would have been followers and only me. For example, we only want to be able to view our following lists ourselves. We don't want other people to have access to that. So we're going to click on only me. Then we're going to tap somewhere here upwards. As you can see now, the following list is no longer set to everyone. It's set to only me. And that's how it's done. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye!